Ford, 2018 looks like it could be an even better year than 2017 in the property investment markets. What's your thoughts on the drivers behind this?
Yeah, in a Scottish context, I think the occupational markets have been a significant contributing factor to this. We have strong occupational markets across the offices sector, across the industrial sector, and also across the leisure and tourism sector as well too. I think the occupational demand has created development opportunities, funding opportunities, and also added value to existing stock. So I think that's increased the volume of transactions that we've seen.
Within that strong 2018 investment performance, are there any sectors you would highlight as being of a special interest?
Yes, I think across sectors we've seen a good deal of activity, Mark. The office sector in particular, we've seen a return of institutional money to the marketplace. This is probably in part driven by the perception of rental performance, the strong occupational market, the lack of available stock, and the prospect of rental growth in the near future. Across the industrial sector, we've seen strong demand from a number of specialist, sophisticated investors. They maybe see better value in Scotland relative to the rest of the UK. And again, demand is backed up by a strong occupational market. We've seen good activity in the leisure and hotel sector. A large number of inquiries from occupiers, hotel operators for representation in Edinburgh and in Glasgow has led to a number of development situations emerging. And as funds try and secure long-let, secure product, there's been a good deal of interest from institutions in that sector as well too.
In terms of that forward funding of hotel interest, how does that work? Have you any examples?
Yes, over the review period, we were involved with the funding of the Malmaison development in St Andrews Square on behalf of Harrison Developments. That is basically satisfying a long-term requirement from Malmaison to secure a property in a prime location. And they don't really get any primer than St Andrews Square. So they've entered into a long lease, 35 years. There's incremental uplifts that are linked to RPI. And the institutions were very keen to consider the opportunity of getting inflation-linked stock in a prime location with strong underlying value.